Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on how to go about repairing my Vizio TV. It's been giving me issues. I power it on and it powers on, but it does not move forward. It just stays on the Vizio logo screen. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. Let's see. So I'm plugging it. I'm going to power it on. Okay, nothing is happening. Come on. Okay, so it's not even turning on now. Anyone out there in the internet have an idea what could be going on? What needs to be repaired? I've seen several different video tutorials on YouTube, and I'm just not sure what it is I need to replace. So if anybody has some expertise, some knowledge on the subject, please, if you can give me some help, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks.